So guys, what we have here is USDJPY. So we would want to look at the movement for the next day, which is 3rd of October 2022. We would want to predict where this price will be moving. So before we get started, if you've not subscribed, make sure you just click on that subscribe button here. Click on this notification bell icon. Also make your comments. I'll watch out for it. And if you have any question, you can ask. So I will reply, by the way. So now this USDJPY, to be able to predict this price for the next day, I want us to quickly do a quick analysis from the higher time frame, which will be from the monthly time frame. It will be a quick one, by the way. So take a look at this monthly time frame on USD. This is it here. So USDJPY on the monthly time frame, we are on a bullish move. I think this bullish move started 2020. If you can check, your charts properly, you see that this bullish move we have actually been going up, right? And for those of us that do trade with moving average, we all know the rules of trading moving average. Once it is above 10 period moving average, we have to go long. But if it is below it, then we have to short. But we can clearly see that this price is above 10 period moving average, meaning we have to go long. So if you want to trade it on the monthly time frame aspects, there's no other way to go than we should actually go bullish. So monthly time frame, guys, we are on a bullish move. We all know it. So if you want to trade on the monthly time frame aspects, still go bullish. If you can grab about 500, aim to grab 500 pips by the time this month end, I think it is possible. We should be able to grab such a move, right? Let's see this kind of movement from here. We kind of have about 600 pips here, 600 pips. We had about 800 pips for the month. This month here, we have about close to 600 pips. So by the way, if you're actually on the monthly time frame, if you can grab about 400 to 500 pips before this month end, I think that will be able to accomplish that. Now let's roll down to the weekly time frame, guys. So the weekly time frame, we have to zoom it out again. Clearly we can see the movement on this weekly time frame, a bullish move, right? So price of our USD has been going bullish. We all know the reason is that interest rates, as long as there's an increase in interest rates, to battle inflation. As inflation is increasing, interest rates needs to be increased to battle inflation. As interest rates increases, then the currency of that country will continue to rise. Since there's an interest rate increase in the US, then definitely we would be seeing an increase in the USD itself. So that is it. USD, as long as these interest rates, inflation is still there, then interest rates will actually will be the same, or continue to increase, thereby pushing our USD upward. So this is why we are having this bullish move on our USDJPY. We saw this move, impulse movement, a correction was made. We saw this bullish move, correction, bullish move. So if you are seeing it, we are actually still on a bullish move. Those of you who trade moving average, we all know the rules of trading moving average. So clearly we can see that this price is still above 10 period moving average, meaning we have to go long, right? So if you have to trade this, we have to go long on our USDJPY, meaning that is what we will be aiming for. So that will now take us down to the daily time frame to predict the price for the next day. So if you have to zoom it out, right, this price is actually on an uptrend move, right? We have actually been going bullish. But let's take a look at this recent movement that is being made. So this is where we would actually want to predict the price for the next day. To predict this price for the next day, you will see that we are actually ranging here. We saw that this price once rolled up to this level and it fell, right? It dropped. It also came up to this same level, it's dropped. Then it came to this level and again, and it's dropped. If you notice that we are actually ranging, so once it's dropped, it's come to this level, then it will go back up. It will come to this same level, go back up, and also this to this same level and go back up. So it is very easy on this daily time frame. I think for almost going to 2 weeks or 3 weeks now, we've been ranging on USD JPY, right? To actually be going bullish. So if you want to take this trade, the rules of trading is trade what you see and not what you think. So but we would want to actually look at this movement on this USDJPY. So in order to look at this movement properly, we would have to look at something on this JPY index. So take a look at this JPY index, right? If you have to zoom it out on JPY index, we are actually on a bearish move. Price has actually been dropping on JPY index. We saw that as once price was dropping, it got to a certain period of time, price started ranging, right? So as this price is ranging, right, so this price hit our support level and broke below the support level, and guess what, it actually roll back up to test the support level. Not only does it test the support level, it actually pushes up and went to the resistance level. So technically we can now see that this is actually a false breakout, so we would rule this out, right? So now that we've seen this price actually hit our resistance level, of course, if we were following this channel consistently, you would have seen where we predicted that we'll be having a drop again. So this we are having, we can take this as a drop, right? Now, has this price going to introduce our support level? Definitely not. Then we have this as a pullback, right? So the next time once price market opens, we will be seeing a drop. The reason why this pullback will be ending here, why I said it will be ending here, because this is actually a key level. Price tends to act at a key level, it tends to react at a key level. So when you take a look at this movement on JPY index, you see that price has once reacted to this level. Even it has once given us a pullback at this level. When it pushes up, then a drop was made before it broke above it, right? You see that price has once reacted at the same level. So definitely price is going to react at this same level, right? So once price give us a pullback as a bullish move, we are expecting a drop on our JPY index. So as this JPY index will be giving us a drop, then we will definitely see a bullish move on USDJPY. So this USDJPY, the next move we would want to see is to take out this candlestick wick here. So the next day we will be expecting USDJPY to actually give us a bullish move. At least from here to this our candlestick, which is our higher highs, we can call it liquidity if you want. That will be giving us about more than 100 pips. Let's say 110 pips. You know, if you can grab 100 pips, by the way, I mean for the day, I think it is not bad, by the way. So we would still have that bullish move. Reason why USD to JPY we will still be going bullish. And when you check this your USD index, by the way, take a look at this USD index daily time frame, bullish move, correction, another bullish move. Now you've added this correction, we are expecting a bullish move again. So right, this is a bullish move. Is a bullish move over? Definitely not. We are still expecting a bullish move, right? At least this bullish move to actually take out this previous highs, right? Maybe the price can react and give us a pullback here, then price will now break above it. But first of all, guys, we would want to take out this highs here, thereby pushing our USD up. So once you look at this USD index and JPY index, basically you see that this USD index will be pushing up while this JPY index will be dropping. So this is to tell you that USD to JPY will actually push up to take out this highs. So maybe to enter this trade, you can go on the 4-hour time frame and enter the trade. I think it is not bad. So maybe you can wait for this price. Of course, this price will come out, take out this liquidity. Maybe you can wait for this price to actually break out, you know, give us kind of like a bullish move, maybe like 28 to 30 pips. By that 28 to 30 pips, it has broken above this highs here. Once this price has broken this highs here, then maybe you can enter the trade, and at least by that time you should be able to go up and grab at least 100 pips, because we still have from here to there, which will be giving us 110 pips. Maybe once you have 10 pips bullish move or a 20 pips bullish move, then you enter the trade to grab this. At least you should be able to grab 90 pips for the day. I mean, grabbing 90 pips in a day is actually not bad. So USD JPY, I am still seeing it as a bullish move.